Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Polygon Matic price prediction update, where at the time of this recording we are holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area, which I have highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $1.1466 mark. And now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And at the time of this recording, we are also holding within key support areas that I gave you using the Fibonacci's by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. And that gave me a minimum target area that we need to continue holding within the formation of this wave 2 between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, which lies between the $1.0864 mark and the $1.0518 mark. And as long as we are holding within this red target area, for me the trend is up here on the Polygon Matic chart, where I'm expecting higher prices in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios, the long-term scenarios, and also give you my target areas in the formation of this wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And first allow me to give you a reason as to why today I'm expecting a lot of volatility, where you can see that here on the Forex Factory, today we have the CPI data, which is coming out later in the day. And as a result of the CPI data, I'm expecting a lot of volatility in the market, and that could give us massive moves here on the Polygon Matic chart and also in the whole crypto market, where we can fully maximize our target areas in the formation of these wave 3s in case the data is positive to the market and we see a lot of volatility to the upside. Then I can give you a target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. And that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the Fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.2648 mark. And that is the minimum that I'll be expecting this third wave to the upside to do. And for that move to also play out, there are key moves that we need to continue keeping our eyes on. And the first one is that we need to continue holding within this red target area. And as long as we are holding above it, there are high chances of seeing a reversal to the upper side, continue gearing up, and also see a break above the wave 1 high of this Elliot wave structure, which lies at around the $1.1466 mark. And the moment we manage to break above that, then we can watch our next key area of resistance at around the $1.17 mark. And a break above that will give us, we can expect a successful retest before we continue gearing up to fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3 at around the $1.2662 mark, which is the minimum target area, before we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5. But in case the CPI data comes out as being negative to the market, there are chances of seeing further breakdown here on the Polygon Matic chart, where we can hammer fully into this red target area. And in case such a move plays out, then I'll be watching for this target area to continue holding. And as long as we are holding within it, then the trend for Polygon Matic could still be up to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3. But in case we lose the lower side of this red target area, which is the Fib level 0.78, then that would be suggesting an alternative scenario, where we could see a reset of this higher Elliot wave count 2 and see a low within this blue target area, which lies between the $1.0983 mark and the $1 mark. And in case such a move plays out and we continue holding within this blue target area, then there are high chances of seeing a recovery to the upper side and start from scratch our higher Elliott wave count 3 to the upper side, where we can now start sketching out another 5 wave structure to the upper side in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And getting to the long-term scenarios, on the long-term scenarios you can see that we've bottomed out in the formation of these higher Elliott wave count 2 right here in yellow within this red target area. And having seen the low for that higher Elliott wave count 2, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of a higher Elliott wave count 3. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $1.57 mark. And in the formation of this wave 3, which is now my primary scenario, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And you can see that here on the charts I have some micro Elliott wave counts within the formation of that higher Elliott wave count 3, where we have peaked in the wave 1, seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 within this blue target area. And now the primary scenario on the short-term scenarios is that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3, where I'm expecting this micro Elliott wave count to continue unfolding, having the wave 5 fully maximizing the formation of this wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators, on the RSI we are trading at around the 24 mark, meaning we have managed to get into the oversold region here on the RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.